A land where ancient history, diverse cultures, and vast desert landscapes converge in silence and grandeur. Far from the usual tourist paths, Sudan offers an awe-inspiring journey through forgotten kingdoms and timeless traditions. Explore the majestic pyramids of Meroë, older and more numerous than Egypt's. Wander through vibrant markets in Khartoum, and sail the tranquil Nile through golden sands. Meet warm, welcoming people who proudly share their heritage amidst resilient beauty. Sudan is located in northeastern Africa. It is bordered by Egypt, Libya, Chad, the Central African Republic, South Sudan, Ethiopia, and Eritrea. It also has a coastline along the Red Sea. The capital city is Khartoum. The White Nile and Blue Nile rivers meet in Khartoum. Arabic and English are the official languages. Sudan gained independence from British Egyptian rule in 1956. The population is over 45 million people. Sudan is the third largest country in Africa by area. The currency is the Sudanese pound. Islam is the dominant religion. Sudan was ruled for decades by Omar al-Bashir until he was ousted in 2019. The country has experienced multiple military coups since independence. A transitional government was formed after the 2019 revolution. In 2021, the military again took control in a coup. Ongoing conflict erupted in 2023 between rival military factions. The country has suffered from long-standing civil wars. South Sudan seceded from Sudan in 2011 after a referendum. The Darfur conflict began in 2003 and led to widespread atrocities. The International Criminal Court has indicted Sudanese officials for war crimes. Sudan is rich in natural resources, including oil and minerals. Much of the oil is now in South Sudan, but Sudan still processes and exports it. Agriculture is a key part of the economy. Main crops include sorghum, millet, wheat, peanuts, and gum arabic. Sudan is one of the world's largest producers of gum arabic. The climate is generally arid and semi-arid. The Sahara Desert covers much of northern Sudan. The Nile is Sudan's most important water source. Sudan has more pyramids than Egypt, mainly in the region of Nubia. The ancient kingdom of Kush was located in present-day Sudan. Nubian history is deeply rooted in Sudanese identity. The Meroë pyramids are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sudanese cuisine includes dishes like full dames, kisra, and asida. Tea and coffee are widely consumed in daily life. Sudan is ethnically diverse, with hundreds of tribes and languages. The largest ethnic groups include Arabs, Nubians, Beja, Fur, and Nuba. Traditional music and dance play an important role in cultural events. Weddings and festivals often involve drumming and singing. Many Sudanese wear traditional garments like the jalabiya and tobi. Education in Sudan is free and officially compulsory until age 13. Literacy rates are lower in rural areas compared to cities. The University of Khartoum is one of the oldest and most prestigious. Access to healthcare is limited, especially in conflict-affected regions. Many people rely on traditional medicine in rural areas. Transportation includes buses, taxis, and riverboats along the Nile. Railways were historically important but are now in poor condition. Sudan uses right-hand traffic. Mobile phone usage is widespread, though internet access is limited in rural areas. Social media has played a role in organizing protests. The country has experienced repeated internet shutdowns during unrest. Electricity is unreliable in many regions. Khartoum is known for its cultural and political influence. Omdurman, next to Khartoum, is a historic city and cultural hub. Port Sudan is the main seaport on the Red Sea. Sudanese women have played key roles in activism and protests. Child marriage remains a challenge in some communities. Female genital mutilation has been practiced but is increasingly opposed. In 2020, Sudan criminalized FGM and moved to reform other laws. Sudan was removed from the U.S. list of state sponsors of terrorism in 2020. The country has seen inflation and economic hardship in recent years. Fuel and food shortages have led to frequent protests. Gold mining has increased as an economic activity. Artisanal gold mining is common but often unregulated. Wildlife includes camels, antelope, crocodiles, and various birds. Dindar National Park is a major conservation area. The Red Sea coast is known for coral reefs and diving spots. Traditional crafts include leatherwork, pottery, and weaving. Sudan celebrates Independence Day on January 1st. Ramadan is widely observed across the country. Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha are major holidays. The flag of Sudan has red, white, black, and green stripes. Red symbolizes struggle, white peace, black heritage, and green Islam. The Sudanese pound has lost significant value due to inflation. Corruption has been a persistent issue in governance. Efforts are ongoing to transition to civilian rule. Sudanese literature includes poetry and novels in Arabic and local languages. Al-Tayyib Saleh is one of Sudan's most famous writers. Radio and television are government-controlled, though independent outlets exist. The current humanitarian situation is severe, with millions displaced. Despite ongoing hardship, many Sudanese continue to push for peace, justice, and democracy. If you like the video, we'll share it with your friends and family members on WhatsApp and Facebook wall. I encourage you to like this video too, or did you know that you will meet your friends through the video till then?